Special chicken kachori recipe. All 3 to 4 tbls. Chopped less than 1 tables. Chopped onions medium 1. 1 tomato chopped. Haldi 1 tbls. Red chili powder 1 tbls. Chili flakes 1 tbls. 1 tbls. Coriander powder 1 tbls. Chinese salt half teaspoon. Mix it well. Yogurt 2 to 3 tbls. Add boiled shredded chicken 1 kg. Add 2 boiled potatoes. And mix it well. Aside. Maida 1 kg. 1 tb salt. 3 to 4 tbls ghee. Water as required. Rest 20 minutes. Melted ghee 1 cup. 4 to 5 tbls corn flour, half teaspoon baking powder. Mix it well. Frozen at 15 minutes. Kneaded after 0.2 minutes. First time roll. Second time roll. Like, share, and subscribe. Fry it 15 to 20 minutes, medium to low flame. Like and subscribe my channel. Very delicious. Thanks for watching.